Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So today I want to introduce you to a tool that I think has the potential to be absolutely the best for internal linking. The things that it does are in parallel. I haven't seen it with any other tool, especially not with LinkWhisper. And I will just basically be doing a full review and a small tutorial to show you their capabilities. The reason for this video is that it has a lifetime deal that ends in 5 days. I myself got the highest tier here. And they are fixing some things, so it's not perfect as of now, but again, the potential is there, and what it can do just amazes me. I'll be doing an experiment with one of my websites, which is Science and Clues. I use the auto-linking approach, which is the only option inside of LinkWhisper to do bulk internal linking, but the results were subpar. It's a very tough niche to interlink, and I still got a lot of orphan posts. Like, I would say that the majority of my posts are orphan. And we'll be trying to fix that with LinkBoss. Again, they have the lifetime deal. So you get 200 credits for 39, 1000 credits for 99. If I were you, if the budget allows, I would get the maximum because 1 credit is 1 link and you would want to create multiple links. So now let's look inside of LinkBoss. I will be adding a new website. Let me copy the link here. This is my website, Science and Clues. Configure. Then what I need to do is to download the plugin. So we'll go to plugins, add new, upload the plugin, activate. Okay, so we need to go to the sidebar to LinkBoss, then activate. And this is a two-step process. So first I'll be copying the API key, like so, save. And then what I need to do is to go to users profile. I would need to copy my username here. And I would need to create a new application password. So new application password name, LinkBoss, add new application password. And you would want to copy this because it's you won't be able to retrieve it. Okay. I will hit update. Okay, project configured. Let's go back to view all. Now we have our website here. Now we need to go to tools, and we need to wait until the syncing is complete, and we will get a full report. So once we do, I will resume the recording. So our report is ready, and we have quite a few options. So obviously we can go to report. As we can see, we have 241 orphan posts. And we can update it anytime. Also, you have your basic internal linking when you can insert a single post. Then you have a silo, which is an amazing tool. So the way it works, say you have a pillar post, a money post that you want to lead to, you just insert it here, and then you include 15 tier 2 posts or informational posts or supporting posts, whatever you want to call them, and these two will create internal links. You have your custom network, which I haven't played around with, but my assumption would be that you can create your own combinations. You can have a keyword, and this keyword will correspond to these many links. But what I really want to show you in this video is the bulk option. So we'll create new bulk. And here, let's just, the beauty of this tool is that these are the categories. And with my website, I have these categories here. So let's choose body. So okay, we have 38 posts ready, and all we need to do is to click submit. And I don't want to reveal any of the secrets here, but the major difference, the biggest, there is two differences, major differences. The first one between these two and LinkWhisper, for example. The first one is easy bulk creation mode. Much easier, much more user-friendly than LinkWhisper. And the second is that this tool will actually find a relevant anchor text and it will create a paragraph from scratch. So other than just suggesting some weird anchor text, and I hate default anchor text by LinkWhisperer, just not doing a very good job. So we got our URLs. You can insert your own anchor if you know what you want. But for me, I just go to select location, and this is basically where your newly written paragraph with proper formatting and everything else will appear. I usually choose before last H2. So my last H2, depending on the article, is either the FAQ or the conclusion. Okay, and I click submit. You get this blue notification window saying that you'll get notified. And the guys are working on a progress bar or a loader bar. So you see the progress already, but right now you just have to wait. And then when you go to bulk, it will appear here. So we are back online, and as you can see, I got a notification that the bulk process is completed. And so we have, out of the 38 blog posts, we have 32 linked and 6 failed. And don't worry about the failed ones, you can redo them. So let's take a look. And so let's just take the first example. So the source article is Seen Period Blood in Dream, Spiritual Meaning. And the target article is Dream of Menstrual Blood. So very relevant. And so we need to go to the source article to see the internal link. So this is the article. And as I said, in this example here, my last H2 was the FAQ. And this is the completely new paragraph and subheading that was created by LinkBoss. What is the spiritual meaning behind dreaming of menstrual blood? Dreaming of menstrual blood can hold significance, blah, blah, blah. And it's leading with the correct anchor text to the target article. So let's just check another one. Maybe this one. So the source URL is eye itching, meaning spiritual. So the spiritual meaning of eye itching. And the target URL is spiritual meaning of broken blood vessels. So again, extremely relevant. So let's see. And LinkWhisperer is nowhere near the quality of the anchor text of LinkBoss. Yeah, same thing. So a paragraph was written completely from scratch, which is now called What is the spiritual meaning behind a broken blood vessel? The spiritual interpretation of eye blood vessel rupture suggests a disruption in the energetic flow, and it's using variations of the target keywords. And this is it. And if you go back to bulk, you can do new bulk. And what was the category? The category was called body. And we have 6 orphan posts, so we can redo them once again. I won't be doing it this time, but you can redo the orphan posts, and you do that until you get the results that you want. So I urge you to take a look at LinkBoss. You have 5 days until you can grab the lifetime deal. I got mine, and this is by far the best internal linking tool out there. They're still fixing some things up, and they're very responsive, they're very helpful, and they truly want to create the best internal linking tool out there. And in my honest opinion, this surpasses LinkWhisperer, this surpasses ChatGPT prompts, and anything else that I know of that has to do with internal linking. So I hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.